Florence Classical Arts Academy invites you to join its online program and learn from top instructors just from where you are. Our online course is a one-year foundation program that is designed for people who want to begin their professional art training and become practicing artists. The course offers more than 100 video tutorials, supporting files with images and references, weekly feedback from professors, and monthly Zoom meetings in a group. You will learn about painting, drawing, composition, human anatomy, color science, and plein-air according to the academic method. The course will unfold from painting and drawing simple geometrical shapes to still life, and then all the way to painting and drawing portraiture with live model. You will work both with daylight and artificial light, learning about volume, 3D, and creating a realistic image in various techniques using different art materials. There are several modules of the program that you can choose from. Full details of those options you can find in the description below. Some of the modules include an on-site course in Florence of duration of 1 or 2 months. Successful completion of the one-year online program provides eligibility to enroll to the second year of the 3-year program in visual arts. Join our global art community and begin your creative journey with us today.